me. Oh, okay. How are you doing?
What? Hello.
Welcome to KFP. Okay.
I'm looking at your stream. I'm already hungry.
Wait, what time is it over there? It's like pretty late, no?
It's 20. I mean, it's 6:33.
Oh, okay. Did you not eat yet?
No, I haven't eaten.
Oh.
Haven't eaten. So that's why when I'm looking at your stream, I'm so hungry.
This makes you hungry?
Butter.
It's butter, sugar, and flour. This makes you hungry? I don't think it's very appetizing.
I mean, the smell of it. I love the smell of the butter.
You smell the butter, wow.
Mm.
Muna! I want to say thank you again because yesterday in my stream I told the story of meeting Pekora senpai the other day, and I said that you were my rock because I held on to you because you were my only like hope at that time on that day. I was so freaking out, so awkward, so nervous, and then you were just chilling. So I thank you so much for being there for me.
Actually, I can say the same to you because,
really?
I'm not good at talking Japanese, right? And when I know that you're there, I feel so relieved. So it's like I have Chihuahua.
Hey.
At that time.
Yay! Yokatta. That's good. We help each other. We have each other's backs.
Yeah.
Nice.
なんだっけ、明日公式がさ、あるぺこじゃん。それでキアラちゃんとかムーナとかと会ってたわ。なんかスタジオにいて、おーってハローってチョコとかもらった。てかキアラちゃんからはちいかわのうさぎなんかガチャガチャやってたらしくて、ペコラン先輩が一番好きなやつ出ました、あげますってありがとうっつって。ムーナからはいつものいろんなお菓子のなんかお土産もろたわ。ありがとうねーっつって。もうやっぱね、スタジオほぼ毎日多分稼働してるせいかね、誰かしらいるわ。行けば誰かしらいるんちゃうかってぐらいにね、人がいた。そう、ペコーラは、ありがとうっつって。風のように帰った。やること終わったら風のようにシュッ